Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you want to enhance your Magento store with a seamless checkout process? In this video, we will show you how to create and customize a checkout page in Magento for a better customer experience. Let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first of all guys, these are some things that you need to know. First of all, customize checkout page. This customize or the checkout is implemented using the UI components. Out of the box, the checkout consists of two steps: shipping information and review and payment information. The checkout totals and the corresponding sidebar are only displayed after this first step is completed. The only exception is checkout of virtual or downloadable products. If there are only these types of products in the shopping cart, checkout is automatically transformed to one-step procedure because shipping information is not required for these specific products. Now, in case you would like to customize more your checkout page, since it comes always by default within the UI components, so the creation of the checkout page will not be a problem at all. Then in case you would like to add anything from these, here it is how you can do it. So in this video we're gonna talk about in detail how you can add, for example, multiple things such as new checkout step, the view of an existing step, custom payment method, custom validation before order placement, custom shipping career validation, custom input mask for zip code, custom template for a form field or checkout page, add a new input from form to checkout, or basically a new field, or simply a custom shipping address renderer. All of these you will learn with them today. So first of all, let's add a new step. So to add a new step, it requires a lot of what exactly? A lot of development, or basically programming language like experience, since you will only be working with these languages. Now, as you can see, you are going to work with JavaScript, as you can see right here. So as we can read, let me just open it for you. So here we go. Step 1. Create the view part of the checkout step component. To create the view part of the new checkout step, add a module directory not covered in this topic. See build your module. All custom files must be stored there. For your checkout customization to be applied correctly, your custom module should depend on the Magento checkout module. Do not use UI for your custom module name because vendor UI notation required when specifying path might cause issues. Second, create the JavaScript file implementing the view module and create a .html template for the components. Now, add the JavaScript file implementing the new step. A new checkout step must be implemented as UI component, that is, its JavaScript implementation must be a JavaScript module. The file must be stored under your module their view front end web /javascript /view directly. Your module directory notation stands for the path for your module directly from the root directly. Usually it will be one of the following: app/code/ your vendor / your module, etc. So this is a simple masterview.js with comments follow. So this is what you need to have. You can literally copy it and read these comments. That's going to be explaining every category of this specific lines. So it's gonna explain all these lines for you, so you don't have to worry about them. Also here you will have the HTML template for you ready to be used. So simply copy the code right through here and add it to your vcode or whatever you are using as programming like platform. Also there is the second step, which is add your step to the checkout page layout. So for the new step to this be displayed on the page, you need to declare it in the checkout page layout, which is defined in checkout index.xml. So we need to add and extend then checkout index.xml layout file in the following location: your my.directory/view/front end /layout /checkout index.xml. And this is a sample index.xml follows. So page, body, etc., arguments, item, etc., etc., and it will display and it will display also like the comment that will explain to you more about it. So first of all, you just have to read the code in case you were a very like beginner with that. These comments can really be helpful for you, or you can copy the code and give it to ChatGPT and literally play with words, so you can make ChatGPT help you and manage to make the best out of this code. So you can manage to create your own code and add it within your their UI code, so you don't have to run anything simply without knowledge, just by using ChatGPT. Now, step number 3 is create make sense for payments and shipping steps. This one is optional, so we can go ahead and ignore it, and basically that's with it. And now you have added a new step to the checkout page. You can follow this article to actually manage to create even much more things in the checkout page. As we mentioned earlier, we have the opportunity here to add multiple things, as we said, and we're gonna read them again. New checkout step. We can custom payments method to checkout, as you can see here, which is very interesting in case you didn't have all enough payment methods added. You can add a customized one, and the best thing here, you have here a lot of like tables with codes, and these codes are basically gonna have a description that explains to you exactly what this code is doing and what it does, so you can have a vision on what you are going to expect from using this code. Is it going to do something weird? What's the purpose of it, etc., etc.? So when you are reading their codes in here, even with their description, you will actually understand it without reading the description itself. So it will be one step ahead of your starting point, which is very good. You can learn, and at the same time you are going to create a new payment method or add a new payment method to your Magento checkout page. And yeah, you can follow these. Of course, I have no clue about the JavaScript language, so yeah, it's up to you guys to learn it or to develop it, depending on what's the purpose of using it. And yeah, this is basically it, guys. This is how you can add and create a checkout page, which comes already by default, and this is how you can customize it. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.